Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Idea. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Now let's move to the details of this video. As far as we are concerned with this video, so friends, in this video, as you people could see, that I am here with you along with a very stylish, very beautiful, but require some effort and some serious concern to make these designs. That is, persons who are interested in making DIY creative stuff, this video collection is absolutely for them, because in this video they will see an amazing designer style, highly price labeled, highly marked designer style, handmade, hand woven wool fabric, wool applique, beautiful matte roses, embroidery, and entirely handmade designer style bags. Friends, the entire video is totally based on handmade flower roses patterns along with some leaves, stems, and a beautiful bunch. And my suggestion to you is that you can make these bunches by using some dull matte ribbon for making these embroidery patterns and handmade roses and leaves. Or you could do some sort of wool applique or some other soft or hard material fabric applique, and at the same time you can make these designs with crochet as well, because these entire patterns could be made by using crochet patterns. But in this video I am sharing a very new and unique concept, that is of wool applique or matte ribbon embroidery. For going with matte ribbon embroidery, then it will require 3D representation of the stuff. And these bags are of multicolors, and each and every color is very beautiful, funky, and stylish, representing a chic look at the same time. So, if you are a designer freak, if you are a dress designing freak, and if you are a lover of fashion, then this entire collection is absolutely for you. And one more thing, you can make these embroidery patterns, these beautiful applique, wool applique patterns onto your already in use old bags to renew them or to make them some sort of classy and give them a unique and modern look. And not only this thing, friends, you can use these patterns for your dress designing, and that is scarves, stolers. You can make these flowers onto them, and even on hand knitted, handmade footwears you can use these design patterns, but in small amount of size and small reduced patterns according to your requirements. So I hope that you like the video. If you like the video, press the like button, and if you are non-subscriber, do subscribe my channel. And on my channel you can see a variety of DIY type handmade handbags, purses, clutches, grocery bags, working bags, office bags, and much more. And not only this, you can get very amazing and classy ideas of how to make very beautiful and stylish fashion related things using hand art, that is hand embroidery, crochet knitting, fabric paint, mirror work, gota work, and much more related to women fashion. So stay tuned, keep watching my videos, keep loving us, and thank you so much for watching the video. And I am adding the links of my other channels as well at the end of this video and in description. Please do subscribe them as well.